This is our second question for histogram. Okay, here is the class interval. It starts not from 0, it starts from 41, and the class range is from 41 to 45 until 66 to 70. Okay, so here two things you have to remember. This is not a continuous data because it ends in the lower class interval is 45, but in the next upper limit is 46. Okay, it's not starting from 45, it starts from 46. So here also it is 50, but it starts from 51 in the next class interval. So we have to check the gap and then we have to make a upper boundary and a lower boundary for your graph. Okay, so our upper boundary formula is, okay, I'll write here. Your upper boundary formula is upper limit plus half, because 45 and 46, here the gap is 1. 46 minus 45, it is 1. Okay, it is 46 minus 45, gap is 1, so half of that, so 1 by 2. Your upper limit is 45. Okay, so 46 plus or 45 plus half, it will become 45.5. okay, 45.5. For lower boundary, again you have to lower limit minus half, so we will make as 41, it is there, sorry, 41 minus half, okay, it is 40.5. okay, these are the two things you should remember. This is lower limit formula, this is upper boundary formula. Please take these two consideration and convert into a continuous data, and then we will start drawing the graph. Okay, two things. First thing, check whether it is a continuous one. If not, find the upper boundary and the lower boundary. Next thing, it should be converted for all the data. Okay, not only for the first thing, the whole graph it should be converted, and then we have to write it. If you want, I will write for other things. Okay, here it is, I will write it down. Okay, 40.5 to 45.5. Here it is 45.5 to 50.5. This is 50.5 to 55.5. This one 55.5 to 60.5. This is 60.5 to 65.5. okay, then this is 65.5 to 70.5. okay, this is the condition we have to apply and we have to proceed. Okay, before doing the graph, convert this data so that you can decide your scale limit. And one more thing, here it not starts from 0, so in my graph I made a zigzag line in the beginning in x-axis. Okay, so this is the symbol for the zigzag line, I made it here. Okay, then I starts from 40.5, I made 5 interval graph, so 45, 55, and it goes until 70.5. okay, this is your x-axis. okay, then this is your y-axis. For y-axis, data is normally even and odd numbers are there, so I make it as an even graph. Okay, 2 interval, 1 interval each, but I never write it here. If you mention, this is 1 2 3, okay, 4 5 6, it is continuously going through. Okay, so here is your graph, then we have to mention the scale. Okay, x-axis 1 centimeter equal to 5 units. Okay, and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 units. That's all our condition. We have started. Now we can draw the histogram. Okay, so 40.5 to 45.5, your number of students or frequency is, this is your frequency. Okay, this is your class interval. Okay, so first thing, this is, student don't get confused, it just jumped over from here. Okay, because of my graph extension. So 40.5 to 45.5. Okay, the ratio of the class interval is 4. Okay, so I start from here. Okay, so this is from here, slowly mark it from here. Okay, this is first graph, first point we have completed. Next one is 45.5 to 50.5 and it's 9. Okay, here is 8, this is 9. So from 1 minute, my graph is moving outwards. This is 9. Okay, then until 50.5. So write slowly from here. Okay, now complete the rectangle. Okay, this part is completed. Next one 50.5 to 55.5 and the answer is, as the class interval frequency is 17. Okay, for that class interval frequency is 17, it is here. Okay, so write from here, draw a line until 17. Okay, then from 55.5 draw a line until 17. Okay, now join and close the rectangle. Okay, this part is completed. So next one 55.5 to 60.5. So from here the ratio is 22. Class interval frequency is 22, the topmost. So I will write from here, draw a line carefully until 22. Okay, now from here slowly, 1 minute, slightly moved away, 1 minute. Okay, slowly from here draw a line, use a scale properly. Okay, and a sharp pencil to move through the lines and then draw it. Okay, until here. Now complete the rectangle. Okay, this is the next part. Next one is 60.5 to 65.5. It is 15. Okay, so 15 is very nearer here. It will come. So I will draw a line from here first. Okay, because it's nearer. Okay, now from 65 draw a line. Okay, slowly, it should be a straight line. Okay, close the interval gap. Okay, this is, I think it is for me not working. I'll make it clear. Okay, this is the one. Last part is 8. Okay, frequency is 8 for the class interval 65.5 to 70.5. So it is here. Slowly from here draw a line until 70.5 again. Okay, if you want you can make a dotted line, okay, or a scale line. I'm showing you. Okay, you make it. Okay, if you want, make a scale line as a dotted line from here so that it is visible only to you, to make you clear and don't get confused, so that it is easy while drawing. Okay, after that if you want you can erase it off. Okay, this is the class interval graph for the histogram. Next thing, in the next video we will see about histogram and frequency polygon.